fall maintenance time, and I'm going to take you through my infield maintenance renovation here over the fall. Going to get this grass just booming through the late fall and through the winter for our season coming up here. And so this educational video is to help those high school coaches out there who always have questions and want to get their infield looking nice on a really low budget. That's the key here. The only thing that I'm going to need to really purchase is some sand for top dressing and then some grass seed, but we're going to take you through this thing step by step. The first thing that I did here that I don't have on the video is you can see this thing's already agitated. I lowered my height of cut all the way down to basically 1/8 of an inch. Step one today, we're going to be dethatching. I'm going to take you through this. If this video at all helps you in any way, shape, or form, leave me a like on there. Leave me any questions you have. Happy to help you guys out anytime. And here we go. Starting off here, I'm about 80% done dethatching. Yesterday was a good productive day. I worked for roughly about 5 hours yesterday. One full direction completely, and then got about just over half on the second direction going all the way through. I have a lot of thatch to clean up still. I had the baseball guys kind of help out a little bit, cleaning up some piles yesterday. Guys, it's been a heck of a week. It's Friday. I'm heading home for the weekend. This thing's ready to go. It's ready for some grass seed. Picking up some grass seed on my way home from work. Tonight we're going to pop that on Monday. We're also getting a delivery on Monday as well for some top dressing. We took off all this core aeration stuff and other debris and stuff. Really beat up these tough areas right in here. These were the compacted areas around 3rd. Same thing down at 1st, and just went to town on these, flooded these out. Tried to soften this up and take up as much gunk as I could. We really like how these edges have turned out. I really recommend these Billy Goat aerators for these edges, because they just really clean them up really nice. It's been a great week. Friday evening here, just I got the dethatcher, still haven't taken it back yet, so I'm gonna just help out some softball edges over here. These softball edges need some love. Out these lips here for Ivan. Yeah, all of those softball lips are in those trash bags right there. I'm gonna put an irrigation flag down on my right wheel so that I can get consistent coverage. I'm gonna go all the way down this line, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reverse pivot on this wheel, and then I'm gonna place another flag on the outside line. And then what I'll do is I'll go straight down this line, and I'll line up the right wheel with this flag so that I can make sure that I'm going in a straight line. So I'll just continue. That's grade A sandy loam, 85% sand, very sandy mix. Project. Put all this seed down today, got all this topsoil down thanks to my JV and freshman baseball team for the assistant today. We'll check up on this in a week. sprinkler renovation this morning. This third base sprinkler was busted, so yeah, I gotta replace it. Here we are, guys, 2 weeks to the day. It's Tuesday, October 26th. I put down the grass seed 2 weeks ago this afternoon, and as you can see, it's popped up really nice. It's coming in really nice. All right, guys, we're 3 weeks to the day that I put down the seed. Here it is. It's still kind of thin, but it's starting to fill in really nicely. You kind of see these bare spots here. You know, these were high spots that didn't get graded very well and were just a little heavy on the topsoil. I kind of beat these down with my cultivator tool, and they'll kind of fill in really nicely. I'll get my springtime rake in here and kind of collect some of this dirt that you see here. Wasn't overly thrilled with this sandy loam that I used. I won't use it again. Next time I'll just use regular sand, top dressing sand, but for the most part turned out pretty nice. Again, the only thing that I wasn't thrilled with was the sandy loam, but again, hopefully you guys got something out of this. I think it's something doable on all high school fields. Obviously I have some nice equipment, which is nice to have, but you know, for the cost of some grass seed and a little bit of top dressing, you kind of saw the work that I did. And if you have any questions, comments, please leave them in the comment section. Happy to help you guys out. Shoot me an email anytime, and I'm happy to help you guys out any way that I possibly can. But again, hopefully you guys got something out of this video. Kind of took you through